What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Fishing GrubbZ. We're out here. This is one of those spots where I've had some really good luck before, and we're hoping for some good luck today. Some big fish in here. Yesterday I went out, as you guys saw, I caught fucking 19 fish, 17 of them on the chatterbait. So obviously the chatterbait's gonna be something we have tied on. They love black and blue wacky rig when it's time here. And I got that tied on, and I also got a Ned rig and one big swim bait. So that's what I'm gonna be tossing today. We're gonna see what we can do, put something together. Dan's gonna be out here any minute. He said 8 o'clock, so it's getting pretty close to that. I'm gonna get out on the water as soon as possible. Also, we just picked up this rack. Installed that yesterday on the old Fiat. So we're pretty pumped. It makes way less noise than when it was just strapped to the roof. Almost about as much noise as a goddamn fucking airplane. You piece of shit. Anyways, let's get out there. Rats for the night, dude. Night or really cloudy days. I never bust the rat out when it's sunny, ever. I mean, some people do. Chris has gotten a couple fish on sunny days. But really? Yeah. Yes, that's a good one. Oh my God, it's a good fish. Yes! That's my best fish of the fucking year, dude. It's gotta be a little more than that. Oh, dude. Whew. Huh? What you got, 3? Close to 3?
215.
Oh, so close to the 3-pounder, folks. Biggest fish of the open water for me. That's why we came here
nice
today.
Nice fish, buddy. Well done.
Oh, so pumped.
Well done.
Get a couple photos for me. I'm gonna dunk her though first.
Got it.
God, look at that fish, folks.
I like that.
Just a little prego. Almost 3. We need to get another fish now.
My white chatterbait instead of my black.
We did it, folks. Chatterbait for the win. Biggest fish of the year so far for me. I mean, not a big fish by any means, but biggest for me so far this year. Coming on the Strike King Rage Swimmer and a Z-Man chatterbait. Like perchy, bluegilly colories. Dan's got one. We gotta go get him. And then we'll just float down back to that tree and then come back up while he just keeps hammering this point. We gotta document these fish. It could be the only 2 we get all day. Dan got a giant, folks. Oh God.
Oh shit, Grubb, what are you doing? You're out of control.
Awesome, homie.
Look, I'll pose him nice.
Yeah, that's a huge one. All right, go ahead and toss him.
All right.
Nice job, bud. Black and blue wacky rig. Dope.
Nope.
Yeah. Got him. Good one. Another good fish. Woo! Awesome. Same. Yep. Nice fish. Ah, nice. All right, pal. Thanks for coming up. What are you tossing? Nuh-uh. Good one? Oh, man. No! Why didn't you net him?
I don't know. It was a big 3+.
Yeah, dude, that was the best fish of the day.
I know.
Fuck.
I'll get him.
All right, folks, we've moved bodies of water, and we are about to get out on this second water source. Small, close to home. Our buddy Dan had to get going, go pick up his son, so I wanted to continue fishing. We're gonna fish here for a while, see what's up. Hopefully we can get another big fish. It's been a good day so far with size, not a lot of quantity. So let's do this. Yes. Awesome. Got him. Switch to wacky rig. Another bass. Got a little smaller though. Right in the fucking tree. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that does it for the episode today. I didn't record an outro. Back here at the office, just hanging out right now. I'm about to start packing up. I need to say that I am super thankful for all the friends that I've made through this silly little YouTube show, all the people I've met along the way. I'm super, super grateful for all of your support and for everyone that's subscribed or even just watched a video, followed along. It means the world to me. You know, I've been going through a lot of shit lately, as you guys know. I've been very open about it, and I just want to say that to everyone that's reached out to me, to everyone that's just still in my life, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. It means so much to me to have you guys following along with my journey, because this is a pretty bumpy part right now, but we're about to make big things happen. In a couple days we're leaving, and we're going to travel up, and we're going to see Jacob from the Chaos Paddlers for a couple days, and then we're going to Minnesota. Okay, it's going to be a freaking blast, folks. So once I get there, I'll start uploading the videos of the trip out there. After this video goes up, I'm going to go ahead and get started on my farewell video to New Hampshire. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to hopefully have it up right before I leave, and then you'll be missing me for, you know, quite a few days. And once I get set up out in Minnesota, I'll have a couple videos for you right away. So make sure, if you haven't already, to hit that subscribe button and follow along with this crazy little journey of ours. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Fish and Grubs.